With earnings season heating up, we need to be fully prepared. Hey there, Tamir from FibonacciTraders.com here, my top stocks to watch for the coming week. You know what to do. Like, subscribe. Let's see the charts. Don't fast forward, don't go anywhere, sit back, relax and enjoy my top stocks to watch list for the coming week. We start with coin, ended up Friday with 10.5% to the upside, bullish on all time frames, broke above this downtrend yellow line. Now let's see continuation above 260 and we will go 274 and 292. Starbucks, another name that we need to pay attention. Still time for Starbucks's earnings. We went last Friday almost all the way to this green trend line. This green trend line holds the lower highs since November of 2023, but we do have here a double bottom scenario that can take us all the way to 87, 88 area. All we need to do is break above the 80, 80 area. Starbucks, put it on your watch list. REAX, very nice price action. We are holding strong above the 530 area. Now let's see continuation above the 580 towards 644 and 723. Always check the earnings because as traders we do not hold positions through earnings. Why? Because the first job we have as traders is risk management. And once we enter position through earnings, we don't know the risks. Therefore, we cannot manage it. Therefore, we don't hold open positions into earnings. SYK, look at this. We are inside consolidation, lower highs, higher lows, inside the triangle. I want to see a break up and above this triangle, preferably above the 344, 345, and then we can start taking long position. But pay attention, not many days until this name's earnings, but if we can take 3, 4, 5, even 7 days of a nice swing above the 345 towards 350 and maybe 358, it's pretty good swing. Teva 2.9% last Friday. We have this broadening formation with the 1630 is the support. Below it, we can start taking short towards this lower border of this broadening formation. Long continuation above Friday's highs towards the upper border of this broadening formation. And of course, you can put the FTI on your chart and the FTI will automatically give you anything that you need for support, resistance, buy signal, sell signal, multi-time frame point of view. Everything that you need, the FTI is on your chart. NU continues to the upside inside this uptrend channel, holding strong above the 1290 area. Now let's see continuation towards the 1364, above it 1420 and 1490 to the upside. By the way, if you want to gain access to all the Fibonacci traders Discord, we have Discord in English for day traders, for swing traders, for options, for crypto, for futures, long, short, whatever you want. Very active Discord, not much of a noise. We post the setup and what to do with the setup. Setup, what to do with the setup. And once you join the gold membership, you will gain access to all these Discord channels and you will gain access to this amazing tool, the FTI, that just one click away gives you everything that you need on your chart. All you need to ask is the FTI is what if? What if? And you will continue above 1364, long continuation 1420 and 1490. What if? And you will break below the upper border of the yellow zone, below the 1280, 1263 and 1239. That's it. This is all you need to do. Before we proceed, this is the Fibonacci Traders YouTube channel. This is your channel on how to become a better trader, how to make money, real money with trading. I post every day the stock market recap and during weekends, the stock market recap weekly. We have 2 lives each and every day. One live, 8:29 a.m. Eastern Time. Second live, we have the halftime show, 11:59 a.m. Eastern Time. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. You don't want to miss any of those videos, any of those lives. And of course, we have playlist. We have the Fibonacci Academy Traders, Fibonacci Academy Traders Academy playlist with 40 videos on how to become a better trader on the technical side and on the psychology behind trading. PCVX. We also have bearish on the daily. It doesn't mean we need to go short on PCVX. It just means that this uptrend is on hold. What does it mean? We are still in an uptrend, right? We have this trend line that holds the higher lows, which means uptrend until proven otherwise. But if we are looking to go long, if we are not long yet on PCVX, it's not the time. We need to wait. We need to wait first for the bearish signal to become bullish. This is the amazing FTI. We don't need to think too much. Bullish on the daily, bullish on the weekly, we can go long. Above the 80 to 50 area, we can start taking long position towards where? 85 and 89.50 as next targets. TOST, Toast Inc. What do we have here? Bearish on the 4 hours, but we are bullish on the daily, bullish on the weekly, holding strong above the yellow zone, above the upper border of the yellow zone. Very important area of support. Why? Look left, trade right. It was very important area of support over here. Very important area of resistance over here. Now, once again, holding as support. We have a slight gap over here. And we know that more than 85-90% of all gaps will get filled throughout time. Maybe during Monday, Tuesday, this gap will get filled and we can get the next bounce up. Long continuation as long as we are above the 26.20, even above the 27.20, we're good to go. 27.90, 29 and 30, 60 to the upside. PayC closed Friday with 2.14 to the upside. Look at this green trend line. Held as a resistance for the lower highs. Now in the past few trading days, holding a support for the lower lows. What does it mean? It means that for now we are bearish on the daily, which means no long for now. But why this name caught my eye? First, we still have time to earnings. We have 1.5 week. I'm waiting for a break above the 162.20 area and then 168 and 176. And if we can catch this swing 8-9% to the upside before earnings, we never say never. We never say no to money. And of course, we have the FibonacciTraders.com. It's the site where you can get all the information about me, all the information about the FTI system, all the information about choose your path to financial freedom. It's lifetime access, lifetime access, lifetime access until you will become a professional, profitable trader. SLB still below this green line, but I'm waiting for earnings is past us. I'm waiting for a break at least 2 days above this green trend line, above this 51 area, and then we can start taking long position if you are not long yet, towards the 52 and 55 as the next major resistance. WBD, you know this name, it was on my last week's top stocks to watch. Look at this, we are now at a very, very tough resistance, the 890. We broke above the 815 as expected last week. Now we are struggling with the 890. Look left, the 890 area, very tough area of resistance. The FTI gives us everything. Automatically, we just don't need to break our head. As traders, we need and we want to think as much as possible. Why? Because if we overthink, we start over trading, we start analysis paralysis. We don't want it. We want to know where price might be heading next. Put the FTI in your chart, bearish on the daily, bearish on the weekly, sorry, bullish on the daily, bullish on the weekly, bullish on the 4 hours. We still have time for earnings. Now let's see continuation above this very tough resistance towards this gap at the 950. Next we have AHR, consolidation in the past 4 or 5 trading days, holding strong above the 1613 area. What if it will break below it? We can start maybe taking short position towards closing this gap at the 560. Why? Because we know that more than 85-90% chance of all gaps will get filled. It's not a matter of when, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. We still have time for earnings. Long continuation above the 1672 towards 1740 and 1835. Footlocker FL is the ticker. We do have here bearish on 3 out of 4 time frames. So why it's so why it's caught my eye? Because I'm waiting. First, we still have a lot of time till earnings. Second, I'm waiting for a break above the 2690. Yes, I've got my alert over here at the 2650, so I can be ready for the break above the 2680. Now we can take the FTI to the upside, breaking above the 2690, and we will see 28 and 29. Of course, nothing here is 100%, but from my experience with Fibonacci and multi-time frames, and of course reading price action, the universal language of the market, of the stock market, crypto market, forex market, whatever you want, it's price action, candles. And the FTI is the best translator for this universal language that I know, that I found, with up to 85% accuracy where price might be heading next. Occidental Petroleum, OXY is the ticker. Let's take Fibonacci to the last 55 trading days. We want to catch recent high, recent low. Now we are above the yellow zone, above the 63 area. Let's see continuation above 64 towards 65 and then 67 and 70 to the upside. Once again, thank you very much for watching this video. I do hope you find it helpful, educational. Check the links in the description below. Join me today on this magnificent journey on becoming a profitable trader. Until the next video, stay safe.